Every lab has experiments that never happen. This was one of them. Introducing Claymore. Claymore finds the idea, investigates it, and runs the experiment. I'm Raquel, an undergrad at UC Berkeley studying computer science, and I previously worked on medical imaging research at UCSF.
And I'm Ricken, a computational biology researcher at the Broad Institute of MIT and Harvard. I previously conducted research on biofoundation models at Stanford.
And together, we built Claymore, a fully autonomous scientist that can interact with the physical world. Claymore automatically ingests the lab's entire digital footprint, Slack conversations, GitHub repositories, and even Zoom meetings, so it understands everything the team has discussed, tested, and left unfinished. It turns that fragmented context into one persistent scientific memory, allowing it to uncover promising hypotheses the lab mentioned but never pursued.
When the investigation requires deeper computational work, Claymore can call Claude Science as one of its tools. Here, it analyzes the historical runs, fits a predictive machine learning model, and identifies the most informative experiment to run next. That experiment is not pulled from a fixed library. Rather, it's synthesized from the evidence, available equipment, and scientific objective. Now Claymore moves from computation into the physical laboratory. Using OpenTron's and PyLab robot, it directly controls lab robots and instruments, translating its scientific objective into a complete physical experiment while generating the code, coordinating each device, and validating every single step before execution. Here, Claymore catches an insufficient reagent volume, revises the workflow, and then continues seamlessly without human intervention. After human approval, it can execute the experiment on connected laboratory hardware from start to finish. The same autonomous system that decides what experiments should be run on also controls how it's carried out in the real world.
Claymore reads the measurements, interprets the results, records every artifact and source, and updates the lab's scientific memory. And unlike traditional analysis tools, it doesn't stop there. It immediately uses the new evidence to select a more targeted second round and continues iterating toward an answer. Claymore runs on the Claude Agent SDK. Through Model Context Protocol, Claude can search scientific memory, launch Claude Science analyses, and generate robotic protocols for real laboratory hardware. We built all of this in 1 week with Claude Code, even the animations throughout this demo. Every day, promising scientific ideas are left behind. Claymore makes sure they don't stay that way.